There. Welcome to the PowerPoint 5 Tips for a Simpler Way to Work by Atif Absar. Designer helps you get your point across. PowerPoint Designer suggests professional designs for your presentation based on the content in your slides. Designer is a subscription-only feature. If you have an Office 365 subscription, the next slide shows you how it works. How to use the PowerPoint Designer. How it works. Number 1. Start a new presentation by going to File, to New, to Blank Presentation. Number 2. On the very first slide, add a picture. Go to Insert, to Pictures, or Insert to Online Pictures and choose the picture. There is a hint, you need to be online when you add the pictures. Number 3. When PowerPoint asks your permission to get design ideas, select Let's Go. Number 4. Choose a design you like from the Design Ideas task pane. Morph. What is a morph? Morph makes smooth animations and object movements in your presentation. You use two similar slides to perform the animation, but it looks to your audience like the action happens on the slide. Play the video on the right to see a quick example. Morph is a subscription-only feature. If you have an Office 365 subscription, you can try it yourself with the steps on the next slide. Setting up Morph. Try it yourself with these two simple planets. Number 1, duplicate these slides. Right-click the slide thumbnail and select the duplicate slide. Here you go. Number 2, in the second of these two identical slides, change the shapes on the right in some way, like move, resize, change color, then go to the transitions to morph. Here you go. Number 3, return to the slide or the two slides and press the slideshow button and then select play to see your circle morph. Here you go. And there is a hint, effect options gives you even more options for morph. There's the planet. Working together in real time. There is a photo you can see. When you share your presentation with others, you will see them working with you at the same time. How it works. Here is another photo. Number 1, select share from the above of the ribbon, or by using the short key that Alt+ZS to invite the people to work with you. You can save to the cloud at this point too. Number 2, when other people are in presentation, a marker shows who is on which side. There you can see another photo, and number 3 is and the part of the slide they are editing. You are an expert with Tell Me. The Tell Me box finds the right command when you need it, so you can save time and focus on your work. Try it. There you can see a robot, and he says select me. Number 1, select the robot picture on your right. Number 2, type animation in the Tell Me box and then choose add animation. Here you can see the photo. Number 3, choose an animation effect like zoom and watch what happens. There is another photo of zoom you can see. Explore without leaving your slides. Smart Lookup brings research directly into PowerPoint. Try it. There you can see 3 photos together. Number 1, right-click in the word office in the following phrase called office furniture. Number 2, choose Smart Lookups and notice that results are contextual for the phrase, not Microsoft Office apps. Just for fun, try Smart Lookup again by right-clicking in the word office. Number 2. More questions about PowerPoint? Okay, select the Tell Me button and type what you want to know. Visit the PowerPoint team blog, go to the free PowerPoint training, give feedback about this tour, and select the arrow when in slideshow mode. Here you can see a picture, slide, start the presentation, morphs, transition, and so on. And here is the end. This is the end. I'm Atif Absar. Thank you so much for being with me for so long.